It's that time again. Hello po mga kamatis, Nico David po pala, right back at it again with another review. But this time around, ang gagawin nating review ay magre-review tayo ng mga TikTok videos. We're going to learn about the science behind making a TikTok videos. Actually, there's really no science. Kailangan mo lang talaga, parang the battle of extremes. It's either you're really beautiful or nakakatawa ka talaga to begin with. So, meron naman yung mga magagaling talaga na nag-e-effort. Pero it really helps na maganda ka. Real talk yan. Maganda or gwapo ka. Diba? I mean, you can be like normal looking and make TikToks. Wala namang papansin sa'yo. Pero when you're beautiful, man, syempre, diba? Let's check it out. Nanonood tayo. I mean, talaga naman. I mean, you can see for yourself. I mean, nag-browse ako dito for about 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Tapos ang mga nakikita ko lang talaga, wala naman yung mga kagaya ko na normal na lang, itsura lang. Meron naman, konti. Kaso talaga nag-i-effort sila eh. Pero yung iba, putay na yung iba, nag-nandyan lang eh, nag-ano lang eh, walang ginagawa. Pero kita mo eh, no? Let's check it out. Alright, so. Let's begin with this. Ito, come with me pa ng XB. XB pa talaga eh, no? Gusto ko lang naman ang lambing mo. Di na ako galit, halika na. Sa lahat naman talaga ng mauuna, XB pa talaga. Sige. She's a beautiful girl. What's her name? Jamie Lipton. Follow nyo na lang siya kung makikita niya. Ayos. Ganda. Ganda lang. Ganda te. Oh my god. The irony is this. Yung pangalawang makukuha ko si Francesca pa. Pero syempre baby natin yan. Panoorin din natin. Wag lang sana may copyright. Actually, hindi ako sigurado eh. Post ko lang uli ah. Hindi lang ako sigurado kung may copyright talaga tong mga ganito eh. Pero I think I should like remove the songs just for the sake of being safe. Ayan. Si Francesca. Let's leave her a message maybe. Maya. Okay. Sige, let's do it. Let's leave her a message. Let's give her something from the heart. Ayan, sige go. I love you agad. Wala nang intro. Yeah, she's deserved this. Actually, naging interesado lang ako kasi nakasunod ako sa Instagram niya, tapos nakikita ko yung my day niya, tapos sabi ko ganun, why don't I just make a content about TikTok. Again with the XB songs, puro XB yung tugtugan. Oh. May twist pala. Okay, sige. Next. Eto, alam ko, sigurado ko may copyright tong ano na to eh, tong kanta na to eh. So, tanggalin naman na natin. Palitan na lang natin. Ito yung nauso dati kay sino ba to? 7-9. Nakalimutan ko yun eh. Ito, hindi ko alam kung meron to. It's just a generic pretty girl. Ito, oh my challenge. OMG challenge daw. Sige, push mo yan. Oh my god! Yun o. Ito for sure meron tong copyright kasi Paul Anka, tawag dito, dati pang artist yan eh. 1960s pa yung na yun. Ito. Yeah. Oh my god. Dalagang Pilipina na naman. Look at her, dude. Come on. Can you not say na hindi yan maganda? Oh my god. Ito. I mean, etong tao na to, I don't know para sa inyo, pero she's really funny for me. I mean, not in the beautiful side, pero more on the funny side. Okay. Bold? Of course not. It's not bold. Kung bold yan, di alam na. Natanggal yan sa TikTok. Diba? The fuck, dude? What are you even doing, man? Holy crap, dude. She is goddamn hot. Okay, so yan na naman. It's like every single, merong mga konting maliligaw na sakto lang, pero mostly yung mga magaganda talaga. Okay. Jesus Christ, bucket comes, dude. Ganda lang eh. Ganda lang, te. Oh man. It's like, this is so standard for TikTok girls, man. You have to be this beautiful para alam mo sure sisikat ka. Oh, yeah. Oh. Ano to? Meow, meow, meow na naman ba to? Eto, I like this song. This is Trip by, basta nakalimutan ko yung Ella May. Si Ella May yata. Pero this guy can move, man. Oh. I see a dude. I don't know. Pero ang galing yung sumayaw. Yan o. Kuha siya ba to? Yan o. Galing rin niya kumanta, no? Meron naman magagaling na kumanta. Okay, ito na. Boom! Okay. Ganda lang. Ganda lang eh. Puro ganun eh, no? Yung papangit sabay, boom! Ito. Okay, so maganda rin. What's the point of this video actually? I mean, after mag-inarte na ganyan, there's really nothing there. I always see this girl, kamukha to ni Lovie Po eh. Si Lovie Po ba to? I don't know, hindi na ako kasi nanonood din ng TV mga kamatis eh. Pero yan na pa, mostly sa internet na lang talaga. But she is damn beautiful, of course. Oh, she can move. This girl can move, man. And she's not bad looking at all. Boom! Anong kanta to? Ignition. Of course, merong ano to. May copyright to. We have to remove this song. Damn. Talagang ang hirap kasing gumawa ng mga pop songs eh ngayon without you getting copyright. I mean, you wanna get at least something from your videos. Ito. Boom, boom. Yung gusto ko dyan yung yung mga tropa niya. I mean, at least supportive yung mga tropa niya, man. You gotta give props dun sa mga kasama niya. Okay, another XB song. Alam mo, gusto kong makapiright ako ng XB. The fucking irony of it. Pag sila pa yun ang copyright sa'yo. Kinaka-copyright po ako ng X-Battalion.
Bes, nung sinisiraan mo ba ako sa iba?
Yan o.
Gumanda ka ba?
Gumanda ba siya? Let's leave a like dahil okay naman yung gawa niya. Okay. She can move. She's beautiful and she can move, of course. Op. Fortnite na naman. There's so many Fortnite dances. I need to learn, I think, 1 or 2 songs ng 100 dance moves sa... Eto, look at this. This dude right here.
Lahat ng pagod, lahat ng narating ko.
Daniel ba?
Para makabangon kami.
The fuck, dude!
Para kanino ka bumabangon?
Ano to eh? Hindi to corgi eh. Forgot the name. I'll put it later on mamaya sa post edit. Ayokong masira yung momentum ko eh. Kasi marami-rami pa tong video na gusto kong panoorin eh. Again with another freaking X-Battalion song. And it really gets frustrating na ganyan sila kasikat. Everyone is dancing to their song. Tapos yung mga, when it comes to their personal life, na sobrang GG talaga. I mean, you should be role models if you are that famous. Yun lang naman yung sa akin doon. Kaya sometimes, may nasasabi ako sa X-Battalion. Kasi, especially with Skasta, please. Alam ko, si Skasta kasi sobrang galing ni Skasta talaga eh. Saka si Floaty. Kaso, pagdating sa ugali, pare, talo talaga eh. I mean, I can't say the same with the other XB members na kung gaano sila kagaling artistically. But, dun sa, dun sa dalawang yun, man. Ano to? Kahit ano yung tip. Ano ba to? Yung biglang gaganda yung she is. Is she not? I mean, how can you call this hard to do? I mean, ganun lang yung ginagawa mo. You're just, I mean, zoom, ngiti-ngiti ng ganun. There's really nothing there. I mean, what am I looking at right now? What exactly am I looking at? Alright, she's beautiful. Okay, sige. After that, what? What else? I don't get the app. totoo lang. Alam ko, yeah, I get it. It's all about beautiful girls na doing... I mean, it helps. It really helps na maganda ka talaga. Ito, si ma'am. At just yung mag-e-effort ka ng ganyan if you're normal looking. I mean, let's be honest here. Si madam naman, hindi naman siya ganun kaganda. Pero the way she moves. Diba, teka lang. Oh my god, dude. Beautiful. Oh my lord. I have to heart her. Meng Manilili. Oh no. This is the girl I like. I love you, madam. Let's leave. I love her, not ironically, pero oh man, dude. She's the one. Beautiful indeed, yeah. We appreciate that kind of thickness. Thickness si ate, just may marimar naman. Let's be honest here. Let's leave a comment. Alright. Again with another X-Battalion song. Ganda, maganda rin yung babae na to. Kamukha ni Zainab, di ba? That's her name. We have to know her name. Karishma Agustin. Yeah. Dami ng videos. So, check this out, man. I mean, she's doing something not hard to do. Pero because she looks like Zainab, hindi ko kamukha niya si Zainab eh. Maganda din siya. Oh, no. God damn, TikTok girls. They're the one of the best. Sige. Isa pang round. Oh man, heart muna natin before we move on. And let's finish this. Okay. Ganda lang tayo. This is good actually. This is one of my favorites. Sana nang napanood ko. Ang galing nila. Synchronized. Is it the same person? Ang kambal? I don't know. Dalagang Pilipino naman. Sumali ko yung audio ko. Sorry about. Oh, this is actually really good. This is really good. Like super good. You have to like it. Movement. Okay, may sasaya na naman na. She went from 0 to 99 million%. Gawin ang ina niya. Grabe eh. Ayan o, biglaan eh. Oops. Ano ba to? Lalaki, babae? Batang gay is good looking kahit ano siya, babae or lalaki. I'm not taking that away from the person. Maggie, babae pala. Oh no, it's her. Actually, dati ko pang nakita to eh. Itong babae na to eh. Napakaganda talaga nitong babae na to eh. Jesus Christ.
You wanna know a secret?
See? Ang ganda niya eh. Oh no. Let's leave her a message here. Ano kayong sasabihin natin na akala ko balbalan dito. First comment, idol kita. Jeez. Pa-accept po sa FB yan. Ayaw. Ganda lang eh. Ayan lang. I mean, yeah, I'm not going to watch this video other than the fact that she's a beautiful girl. Let's be honest here. That's the appeal. That's the appeal I'm getting from this video. It's a beautiful girl doing something. Oops. Oh no, may boyfriend na pala. Jesus Christ, dude. We lost, boys. Talo na agad, man. Di pa nagsisimula. Let's leave her a message again. And let's G2LB. Oh, that wink, yo. Highs. Sobrang gaganda mga babae. That's the appeal, man. Let's be honest here. The appeal is she's a beautiful girl. There's really nothing I know about her that is redeeming other than the fact that she's a beautiful girl. That's a fact. Hindi tayo dapat magano doon. Hindi tayo dapat magpaligoy-ligoy doon. I mean, look at what I'm doing. Essentially what I'm doing is a compilation and me enjoying these beautiful girls performing ayan, mga kakutan na ganyan. And I enjoy this kind of entertainment. Don't get me wrong, hindi naman ako magiging hipokrito sa inyo. I enjoy it very much. This is why I'm doing this, man. Tapos ipipresent ako sa inyo, hopefully ma-enjoy nyo din.
Lumangon ka,
Napakaganda naman talaga nitong babae to, man.
It's about to be a fight.
I'm gonna fight to. Kamukha niya sino to yung asawa ni si Colin Luna. Hindi, Pauline yun eh. Yung kay bossing si Pauline. Yung si Colin. She looks like the girl na yung asawa ni Billy ng Showtime. Okay, yun. The classic beautiful girls. That's the appeal, man. The beautiful girl. That's about it.
Ikaw na ang
That's the appeal of this app, man.
gwapo na
Tatapat mo sa mukha mo and when you have a pretty face, then you win. Kamukha ni Camille, OMG. Kamukha siya ni Camille. Kala ko si Camille, hindi pala. Si Alex Maniguez. Si Maring Camille, OMG. Cute. It's cute. She's cute. Other than that, I mean, the dance steps, siguro, it works. I don't dance. And siguro, I can tell you, oh my god, ito na. You know. What am I exactly doing with my life? Ito medyo cute to eh. Mayroon kasing level of acting at least, and it shows the life of a Filipino. Eto babae ito, di ba? Babae ito, Jamie. Bagay ba tayo? Bagay niya. Meron siyang Francesca appeal. Hindi niya kasing appeal ni Francesca. Okay. See, this is me, a normal dude. Pag tumingin ka. Okay, bago tayo, I think we're going to have our last video bago to. Siguro 1 or 2 more, then we're going to click. Damn! You know. Oh my god. Shit, son! The appeal is she's very beautiful. This would be our last video kay Maring Francesca. It's quite apt na mag-end tayo sa kanya since siya yung pangalawang na random natin from our TikTok feed. Let's end with her. But first, I would just like to say something about dun sa pag tumingin ka akin ka. This was a song by Princess Thea. Nakilala ko kasi sila Princess Thea through kila Makagago and kila Mike Swift, and I just wanna say na I would just like to congratulate Princess Thea for this song kasi nakabawi siya for, di ba, dati binabash siya yung Princess Thea malupit, pero this song represents her rebirth as a artist na when you have something that you want in your life, don't give up. I mean, kung ikaw na nakikinig sa akin ngayon, you want to do TikTok tapos you're not as as beautiful as Francesca or the rest of these TikTok girls, and you just wanna gusto mong mag-TikTok na, alam mo yun, gusto mong sumikat dito, just don't give up, just try harder. I think that's the essence of life. When you will never have the talent as some people would have, and you will never be as beautiful as some people would have, but you can do hard work. You can always do hard work because hard work pays off. I wanna give myself an example right here kasi I'm not going to parang sabihin sa inyo that I am the most talented YouTuber sa Pilipinas. Pero the thing is, I try hard. Every time nagagawa ko ng video, I think of things na pwede kong i-content na matatawa kayo, na I write things now. I'm trying to learn how to edit every day. This is my grind, this is my hustle, and this is what I'm trying to show you dito sa mga video na to, na end of the day, I'm not trying to bash these people. I'm just showing you the reality of things. The reality of it is that if you want to be famous dito sa mga TikTok, sa Facebook, sa YouTube na to, it helps if you are beautiful. Actually, it's not just helping you, it's almost a boost. It's almost a guaranteed na kapag magandang tao ka, gwapo ka or maganda ka, you are going to have some success. At the very least, magiging popular ka dito sa social media space. After all, tingnan mo nga, it's Facebook. Yun. So you have to really try hard kung gusto mong mapansin. If you are one of those people na laging nagsasabi sa akin, Nico, paano ba magganito, paano ba magganyan? There's really no secret, bro. You just have to be lucky, and kung meron kang natisod na audience, so work with your audience. Always be appreciative of their audience, of the audience that you would have. Tapos mag-thank you ka lagi, bro. You can never be thankful enough sa buhay natin ngayon with all the shit that's going on. Anyway, that's it. Ending ko na, papanoorin ko na yung last video na si Maring Francesca, nakanta ni Princess Thea. Once again, Princess Thea, kung nakikinig ka sa akin, tropa ako ng Kuya Mark mo, and we're really proud of you. Nung podcast kasi, one of the things na pinag-usapan namin ni Mark noon, sabi niya sa akin, wag na nating idamay yung magkapatid, si Miguelito Malakas at saka si Princess Thea, because he is sorry for what he said sa inyo. End of the day, we're just people here na nagkakamali, and we are always appreciative of what yung mga blessings na dumadating sa amin. And sometimes we overlook the blessings na pupunta sa amin, nagiging mayabang yung iba sa amin, like yung situation ni Mark and ni Princess Thea. And this is why ngayon I'm telling you, Princess Thea, you're on the right path, and hopefully magtuloy-tuloy yan. Princess Thea malupit. So with that being said, I think I'll do my own TikTok, and papanoorin ko muna si Madam Francesca. Mga kamatis, maraming salamat sa panonood. Princess Francesca, take it away.
Pag tumingin ka, akin ka, pwede ba na ako'y lingunin? Konting sulyap mo lang ako, ay agad-agad kikilig